Welcome to Random with Patrick Hill of Heatshield Products.
Okay, we're here at the 2020 NMRA Spring Break Shoot out at Bradenton Motorsports Park. We're here with our friend Jeff Smith, who is a Heatshield Products user. Jeff recently used some of our Sticky Shield product to encase his intercooler tank to help it out and get more out of the ice and the cold water side. Jeff, tell us about that when you put it on, what the differences you noticed since you put the Sticky Shield on the intercooler tank.
Yeah, so when I originally got it, it was a bare finish, and I noticed it would sweat a lot. And the ice, I'd make a run because I knew True Street, you can only run ice one time for your 3 runs. So before, after one and a half, the second run, there was nothing in there. The water was kind of hot. So now I can go a full 3 runs, and the water's still cool. So I definitely noticed that it helps.
Stay tuned for the next video with Patrick Hill of Heatshield Products.